Hello Professor, this is Harpreet, this is lab 2. First things first, I'm recording this with OBS. I'm sorry if I sound a little different because I'm sick. I've been sick the past couple of days. Anyways, we open our virtual machine since we're doing it on VM. We need to create a partition, that's the first step. As you can see here in our disk management, you can go type in disk management right here, or you can go through control panel and open it up. As you can see, we don't have any space to create a new one, so we need to shrink the main volume here. It's gonna take a bit. I'm just doing this to show you something for later on. Just disregard this for now. There we go. It's asking us how much we want to shrink. Well, let's just say 1.5 gig, 1500 MB. So what this will do, it will shrink this partition in order for us to create room to make new partitions. Since we only had like 1.6 GB space left, so we're doing for now only 1.5 gigs. It could take a while here. Please bear with me. Pardon me. You can skip this part if you had to in the video. I'm sorry. I can't cut it. This is the longest part. Other steps are pretty easy. Anytime now. There we go. So as you can see, now we're gonna create a new partition out of this free space. We're gonna create only a gig. There we go, and we name it E. There we go. We have our new partition, which is basic, and it's the new technology file system, right? So that's our first step. It's been completed, and then you ask me, and then you ask in the lab, please fill out the rest of the stuff here. How many partitions you have? Are they primary or not? And you know, the total disk size is 16 gigs. It's basic, and the remaining unallocated memory is right here. So the next step that you ask us to do, I'm sorry about my phone, is to create a partition using command prompts, not the disk management itself. So in order to do that, we're going to do Diskpart. Using Diskpart, there we go, we're going to do list disk first. It's going to show us the disk. We're going to select disk 0. Now we're going to do list partition. Let me show you, we have 3 partitions. The number 3, we just created a new one. And you want us to extend it. Since Alice needs more space, we're going to extend our new partition that we just created. In order to do that, we're going to select partition 3. We selected it. Now we're just going to extend it more memory. In order to do that, we're going to type in extend size equals let's just do 477. It's already done. You can see it's successfully extended. We're gonna do partition. We're gonna do list partition again. List partition, just to double check. List partition. Okay, list disk. Select disk 0. Partition. Oh, I'm spelling it wrong. Sorry. I was missing an I. There we go. As you can see, we have extended it, and we can also double check it in disk management. Right now it says the one we extended was the one we created it was 1 gigabytes. Then we extended to 1.47, so you have no unallocated memory to create new partitions. The third part of the equation you ask is to first you ask here to fill this out. We have no unallocated memory left, so we're going to do 0 GB, 0 MB, none left. And the third part is asking however you use all the available space, create ls1 partition. Therefore, you must shrink the ls1 partition in order to create more partitions. We can do it two ways. We can shrink it here, just like we did the first to create this partition. We can shrink it. In this case, I'm going to use Diskpart to do it. So we're going to do list. Sorry, this is not that. There we go. We're going to do select partition. Let me make sure I'm not making 3. We have selected the partition 3. And we're going to select. We're going to shrink it. We're going to type in shrink desired equals 512 MB. Shrink desired equals 512 MB, and it's successfully done. We can check it. There we go. You see we have 989 MB, and when we go here, now we have an allocated space to create another partition if we'd like to. So this is it for the lab. I did it under 10 minutes. Please let me know, because as you can see, you have it. You want us to paste and the screenshots. I'm sorry I can't do that. I was trying doing it, but for some reason when you go here and do print screen, nothing works. I've tried emailing this. If you open within my virtual machine, email it to my Gmail account so I can get those pictures. I still can't do that. So this is it for the lab, and I'll see you in the class. Thank you.